how many has Reynolds Orthodontics helped with Project Mariposa?
I don't know the exact count, but I know we talked over a year ago when we did our $1 millionth in charitable contributions. It's all to local folks. We're really fortunate to be in a profession for a bunch of different reasons, but one of the most gratifying parts is when we can help people that might not be able to do it on their own.
We explain Project Mariposa to anybody that just clicks on here right now and sees. What is Project Mariposa?
So Project Mariposa is a charity that we created. Mariposa is Spanish for butterfly. And the idea is that a butterfly starts out as a caterpillar and then goes through a metamorphosis into a beautiful butterfly. And we see that with our patients. They come in, their personalities are really reserved, they're embarrassed about their teeth, and then as we treat them, the cocoon, if you will, then they emerge into this beautiful butterfly. They're different, they transform. We've been treating philanthropic patients since before I was in the practice, and it's difficult when they come in, because sometimes they're maybe a bit embarrassed about the fact that they're there philanthropically. And so we were looking for a way to make it more of a team scholarship type feeling rather than something else. So we generated this charity called Project Mariposa. And what we do is, instead of bringing the kids in at lunch or whatever, we have all of the ones that qualify for the scholarship in on one morning. We do it twice a year, and then we make it a big, more community and family event. So there's a lot more pride and enjoyment, I think, out of it. So it's just meant to sort of be a different way at looking at philanthropic orthodontics to help the patients all create this group together that they can experience together.